Hey, what is going on, guys? We're back with another video today. Today we're going to jump a little bit differently. I know these algorithm videos can be a little monotonous, can get a little repetitive because we do the same thing but just in different languages. So I'm going to step back from that for a moment and I'm going to jump back into Node. We're going to do something slightly different. We're going to start an Express server. We're going to get that up and running. This should be a fairly quick video. We're not doing anything crazy, just kind of want to show you guys how to set up a server, so let's jump right into it without wasting any more time. I got a terminal open inside of Visual Studio's code here, so we're going to need to go npm init because we're going to need a package. You can go ahead and enter through all this. You don't need to type anything except for yes. Now we have our package.json, which has nothing in it right now other than just the basic stuff it asked for us and we didn't fill out. So then we can go npm install express. Get that going. So we can jump up here to our editor and type in const express equals require express. Since we just imported it, we can now use it. Then we need an app, which is going to hold the express object. So app is equal to express. And then we need a port number. You can specify any port that you are not using, otherwise it's going to break. Const port. Right now I'm not using 3001, so we can go ahead and use that. Now to only get this server up and going in the web browser, all we have to do is just type app.get, and then we need our directory, which will be our home page, if you will, if we set this up for a website. And then we need a rec and a res, which res is what we send the data back. So I'm going to use the arrow function here. We're going to say res.send, and then we can say hello world. We can specify tags in here, HTML tags, so I'll just put a h1 inside of that. So after we get that set up, we can say app.listen. This is going to take the port, so 3001, and then we can use another arrow function here. Takes no parameters, and we can say console log, and then I'll just put something like running so we know it's working. We go ahead and save that. Let's try node index.js. So it says we're running, so let's jump over to Firefox here. As you can see, I got localhost 3001. Go ahead and hit enter. And there it is, hello world. Jumping back into Visual Studio's code here, we can add another page to our website by just going app home directory, and then we can just say a user, if you will. If you want to log in or something, then we can do the same exact parameters with res.send, and then we can say welcome user. We need to go ahead and run it again because we exit out of that, and then we can go back to Firefox. And we can say /user welcome user. There you have it. That's all it is to it of getting a server up and running inside of node.js with Express. If you found this video helpful, useful in any way, if you guys want to see an actual application built with Express, make sure to drop a like down below because I would greatly appreciate it. That would let me know you guys are interested. And as always, thank you for tuning in. We'll continue our bubble sort series in the next few videos. So make sure to stay tuned for that. If you're interested, hit the subscribe button. If not, just thank you for watching. As always, thank you. I'm out. See ya.